Good morning. Today I'm working on cutting the boards into lengths again. Hugh's cutting logs into boards, and Chelsea is over here screwing the boards in. So we're working on the bird lot. Y'all, I'm getting excited about this. I will absolutely make at least a short this afternoon and show you how far we got. I never work on fence more than 2 or 3 hours a day because it's a little exhausting, but having the extra help today, I should get along pretty good. Yay. All right. Oh, the geese are enjoying the mud, the muddy mud puddle. We'll call it a mud puddle. All right, y'all. I love you. I hope your day is as beautiful as this day. See you soon.